Hey, welcome back to Feral Art, or welcome to Feral Art, whichever the case may be. My name is Kelly, and if you're new here, I hope you'll like this video enough to stick around and hit the subscribe button and be part of my party. How you doing? Okay. Today's video is sort of a combination of something I've been working on for weeks. I started the background with no real idea of what I was going to do with it and have had several iterations of ideas and just never really settled on one until late in the week. So I struggle sometimes with what is appropriate for my channel. And then I remember it's my channel, so it's appropriate. Unless I'm like getting naked or something, which I'm not ever going to do that on my channel. So I read something last week that just really struck a nerve. And I found it on Facebook, of course, where I'm, spending a lot of time. And it says, there are times when you must speak, not because you're going to change the other person, but because if you don't speak, they have changed you. And I thought, you know what? This is my one voice. This is my one life. This is the only chance that this iteration of me gets. So I'm going to do what I want to do. I'm going to say what I want to say, and I'm going to throw it out there. And if nobody likes it, that's not on me. That's on you. So, that seems like sort of a ballsy way to start a video, and I guess it is. But that's who I am. And to be quite honest about it, I didn't do any talking through the making of the art that you're about to see happen. So it's going to be a lot of music, and you're just going to have to, watch and enjoy and sort of see the cogs in my brain work or not. So anyway, sit back and relax. I hope you will enjoy this, and I hope that it will say something to you. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the end. Bye. All right, here we have a Soho 24 by 30 inch gallery wrapped deep edge canvas. And we have Rustoleum Universal Forged Hammer, paint and primer in one.
In the corner of the crowded room, your eyes meet mine. Conversations fill the air, lost in space and time. I don't ask for your name, it's already carved in the air. I won't light a flame, it's already burning when you are near. Taking steps to keep my distance, I don't wanna fall. Am I strong enough to guide my heart away from it all? I won't call your your name. It's already carved in the air. I won't light the flame. It's already burning when you are near. Do we all so slowly lose control as emotions overflow, falling into the unknown? Or do we all guard our small fragile hearts as we're softly breaking apart, afraid to give in to the stars and open up our hearts? Do we all so slowly lose control as emotions overflow, falling into the unknown? Or do we all guard our small fragile hearts as we're softly breaking apart, afraid to give in to the stars and open up our hearts? Wide awake, all the memories are on replay. I reach for you, but you're thousands of miles away. Every heartbeat, every breath is filled with thoughts of you. I am so lost without you, and I don't know what to do. Sleepless nights filled with all the things I didn't say, that will make it okay. Turn back time, never let you slip away. Every heartbeat, every breath is filled with thoughts of you. I am so lost without you, and I don't know what to do. Don't do.
Here are the dry results of my art, my message for the world today. I think this turned out pretty cool. Lots of steps, lots of neat stuff going on here. I kind of ran out of ideas. Had a couple of conversations with some folks about what to do with this side of the painting, and I think it turned out pretty cool. Got some little hearts, got some drips, got that cool background, and our lovely streaming rainbow over here. I just think this turned out pretty neat. What do y'all think? I think it's really important today to speak our minds about what's going on. I saw something the other day that said if I don't speak, that means they've changed me. And that's just not gonna happen, y'all. So there you go. Yeah. So anyway, there we are. Hope you all have enjoyed this video and this process. Before you go, make sure that subscribe button is pushed, and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Leave me a comment. I'll get back to you. I always do. And yeah, I will see you next time.